So welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to learn how to make this beautiful design where we'll have the head poking out. In our design we just want the head to be poking out while the rest of the body is inside the circle. So we are going to learn how to make that in this video, and it's very simple, so let's dive right into it. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you like this video at the end, please hit the like button. And without further ado, let's get back into it. Okay, let's create a new document by coming here and just click a new document of your choice. Click OK. So we have a plain document right here. Okay, let's create the first background first, which is purple, by coming here and come here, and we're creating solid. I'm using purple. You can pick any color of your choice. So second thing is to bring in our model. Okay, we come here, then bring in our model, and I have some cool models to use here. We're going to use the one that we saw in the beginning of the video. So let's bring her. Okay, just bring in our model, then okay, we're going to make sure that it's in the center by using our rule, our grid, and we're going to put on this magnet so that it can snap to the middle. Immediately you get it like this. This is the first step. So the next thing is to duplicate this text. Duplicate the image, is to come here and make a duplicate. Okay, now we have a duplicate and we're going to make sure we align it to the middle. Now we have the two images right in the center. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to come here and we are going to use the crop tool. Okay, the crop tool, and right here we're going to come here and make the 1:1. Okay, and we're going to pick this circle. Okay, once we get this, we are almost done. Then click OK. Now that we are here, all we need to do is to make sure that we align this one. Remember, we are also using this grid. It's always snapping to the middle. Okay, now that we are done like this, we are going to now go to the second image. Come to the second image that we've done mask. Now we're going to we're going to go back. Then we're going to go to the max 2. Okay, here is the max 2. Remember, we are here, then the max 2. Okay, and just put it on and make sure you use these handles and just drag it to make sure you are selecting this part. Okay, once you click OK, you are almost done. So let's hide the grid for instance. Now we have this shape. Okay, now the next thing we're going to do is to actually bring a round shape. Okay, round circle, and bring it. So now here, this is where the work is. You're going to make sure that you align this circle to fit in this rounded bottom. Okay, because once you can get this right, you're done with your design. Okay, and we're going to move this to the back of the whole image. And now this is where we are going to use our position tool. Remember, we are seeing the circle, the position tool, and drag this down and just make sure you nudge it. Okay, you have to be careful here because once you miss this part, you've missed the whole thing. Okay, and I think we are good. Okay, now you can now come to the circle and paint it to whatever shape you like. Let's look for color. Let's put it on, and now you can paint it to be whatever color you want. I think the one I made was pink. And here, okay, let's zoom in so that we make sure we're not making errors in our design. Okay, we are having this little edge here, and let's zoom in all the way in again. Let's see. So we just want to make this a little bit perfect. Nobody's going to notice this anyway, just some inch away. Okay, and let's use our move tool. For instance, we may not be able to get this right, but I don't think anybody will notice. These are just few pixels away. So we go to the move tool. Remember, drag all the way down and just push it up a bit. Okay, push it down. Okay, push it down. Okay, I think that has aligned. Okay, just to make sure we are clear, let's zoom to the other end to make sure we are. Yep, we got it. Okay, we are having some lines here, so let's push it a little bit down, just one click. Okay, up. Okay, I think that's okay. Just to be sure, let's try. Okay, we are having very teeny tiny. It's just me trying to be like really careful here. Okay, I think this is already done, so let's go back. And now we have our shape. Okay, the next thing we have to do now is to make sure that we merge all this. The good part is you can actually just change this color, but let's make sure that everything cannot move together. Is to select all of them, okay, and merge. Okay, and just merge it, and now we can move it anywhere without any adjustment. This can actually be used in you're making a design that needs multiple speakers. You can actually use this and just create this nice poke out edge. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button, and you can also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. And today is day 31 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.